Hey guys, today we're making gyudon, which is basically a Japanese beef bowl. Now this dish is popular, delicious, and it's quick and easy to prepare, if you know how. So watch closely because I'm going to show you how to make it. Now the key to good gyudon is thinly sliced beef. To get it this thin, you have to freeze it then slice it, preferably on a slicer. So if that's going to be an issue, you better be nice to your local butcher. Okay, to get started, let's start making the sauce. Just add these ingredients to your saucepan and let it simmer. Now everyone seems to be proud of their own family gyudon recipe, but to be honest, some are good and some are better. And this is my one, and I just want to let you know, it's the best. So I really hope that you give it a try. Hey, sometimes you have to be honest rather than modest. Now you want a nice strong sauce that's full of flavor, so give it a taste test from time to time to make sure that you like it. If you think it needs more soy sauce, then add more soy sauce. If it needs more sugar, then add more sugar. Now's the time. Don't wait until the end because that could be too late. Next, add the sliced onions, and then simmer them in the sauce until they're nice and tender. Now while they're simmering, you might want to add a lid to the pan to avoid any evaporation. When the onions are tender, it's time to add the beef. Simmer the beef in the sauce until it's lost that pink color and it turns a lovely shade of brown. Now here's a tip for you. Make sure that you add the beef at this point. This way the beef stays juicy and tender and it won't dry out. Next, add the mushrooms. Now I'm not a fan of flavorless gyudon, and the addition of mushrooms really helps to avoid this. They add texture, and then just like a sponge, they're going to suck up all that yummy gyudon goodness, thus making them little flavor bombs. Now it's time to put a lid on the saucepan and let the mixture reduce down for a moment over low heat. Okay, time's up. Now at this stage it should look something like this. Meaty, juicy, and tender. Now this looks and smells terrific, so I'm definitely on the right track. So the only thing left for me to do now is to assemble the beef bowl. First add about a cup of rice to your bowl. Next, lay on that beefy goodness. Now this is no time to be stingy, so make sure you pour in some of that sauce. It's jam-packed full of flavor, and we don't want that to go to waste. Now I'm just going to make a little indentation at the top and then sprinkle on some scallions. Now I made that space at the top for a reason, because here comes the onsen tomago. If you want to learn how to make this super soft boiled egg, please click the link at the top of the screen. Now to finish it off, I'm just going to add some beni shoga pickled ginger. And guys, there we have it, one easy to make, delicious Japanese beef bowl. Now please excuse me for a moment while I give it the taste test. Now trust me, this really is delicious, so please give this Japanese comfort food a try. and let me know in the comments how you got on. Now wait guys, don't go. I'm still not finished yet. Now this beef bowl mixture, it's really versatile, and you don't always have to stick it on top of rice. So if you have a moment to spare, I just want to show you what it looks like on top of some udon noodles. Now these are regular udon noodles. I boiled them for 3 minutes, then strained them. Next I'm going to add the beef mixture, the egg, the scallions and the ginger. Now because these are noodles, I'm just going to add a little bit more sauce than usual. We definitely need that for slurping purposes. Now if you want a real soupy sensation, just add some more water to the sauce and that will form a lovely broth. Now I have to admit, cracking open an onsen tomago successfully really is quite satisfying. You gotta try it. Okay, and we're done. Now, what shall we call this? How about Gyudon Udon? Does that make sense? So today, I showed you how to make some Japanese comfort food. Gyudon and Gyudon Udon? Anyway, don't worry about the names. What's important is that it tastes great. And trust me, it does. Now come to think of it, this is probably called Niku Udon, which translates to meat udon. I kind of preferred Gyudon Udon because it rhymes, but Don kind of refers to rice bowls, so what can you do? Okay, getting back on track. Now which do you prefer, the rice or the noodles? Leave me a message below. I'm the Bento Buster and thanks for watching. Now if you're new to this channel and you don't mind me rambling on, how about subscribing? It'll be great to have you on board. Happy cooking, and I'll see you next time.